Okay, guys, I'm back. So this is from Graphic 45. I don't know if you've never heard of them before. You should really get acquainted with them really fast because they have gorgeous, gorgeous papers, and they're one of my favorite paper manufacturers or designers, I should say. This is one of their latest collections. It's called Birdwatcher, and it is beautiful. If you love birds, you love flowers, you're going to go nuts for this. Okay. So, once again, on the back page, they always have like little, you know, little templates that you can use to make all sorts of, gift tags, etc. Okay. Now, this is the first page, and the page is called Bird Watcher. Okay. It is beautiful. Just the colors, I'm sure you can see the colors are just gorgeous. Okay, and this is the back of that page. Same thing. So you get, on the 12 by 12, you get two of each page. And on the 8 by 8, you get three of each page. So this is one of my favorites. It's called Beautiful Morning. Okay, and here's the back, which is gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, once again, beautiful morning. Okay, let me show you this. So this is the back of the next page, or the front. I don't know. To me, it's hard to figure it out, but I think this is the back. This is called Look Up. Okay, and this is the front of that page. I mean, I love the other design, but gosh, how do you decide? These cut aparts are just so beautiful. So beautiful. If you like having birds on your cards, it's just, okay. All right. So these are the two pages, the front and the back. You decide which is which. I like these. It's called Flock Together. Like birds of a feather flock together. It's beautiful. It looks like toile paper. Okay. Here's the back. Beautiful. And the front of this page, it's called Just Breathe. Just breathe. Oh my Lord. I don't know about you guys, but we have had one heck of a winter this year, and culminating with really, really windy days here that I cannot wait. I hear the birds out there. I can't wait to be able to sit outside in a nice chair and just watch them. These are called Best of Friends, and these are so cute because they look like stamps that you can use. I like to use like a little set of maybe like, like a little block of these. They are gorgeous. The colors are so vibrant. Okay, this is called Feather Your Nest. That's supposed to be the front, and this is the back. Look at these feathers. Oh my Lord, these are gorgeous. I would have trouble trying to figure out which one of those sides I wanted to use. Okay, and this is Learn to Fly. Once again, cut aparts, gorgeous, gorgeous cards. And this is the back of that, which is just gorgeous. All the little bird watching stuff. Okay, so that was this. Now these also with the 12 and a half by 12, I mean the 12 by 12 paper, you also get like these, which are the stickers in the back. Beautiful. And this one as well. So these definitely say major spring to me. Okay, this is the chipboard. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. These are the chipboard die cuts. All right, for this particular set. Now, I'm going to show you the journal cards, okay, which look absolutely stunning. Oh, I should be showing you the back as well. Free as a bird. Same one. Birds of a feather flock together. Look up. Soar. I love this. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Beautiful little nest. Robins appear when loved ones are near. Oh boy, that is so true. I strongly believe in that. A little bird told me. Very true. Look at that. So gorgeous. Look like little watercolored little watercolor images. Free as a bird. I mean, how do you pick which side to choose? Look at that. It's just stunning. Sometimes you just have to look up. Yep. And this is the last one. Beautiful. So those are the journaling cards. Once again, this is Graphic 45. And this is the Birdwatcher collection. And this is the ephemera that comes with this. I'm showing all this because I like to know what is in each kit. You know, I like to know what comes along with this stuff. Okay, so you have, oh, look at this. This is so cute. So this has like little little cutouts on this look up. And you have a lot of adorable little tags. I'm just going to spread them out here so you can take a look at them. Free as a bird. Oh my Lord, these are gorgeous. Look at this. Little swirls you can use. This key. Oops. Yeah, gotta get this clock together. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. These are fantastic. You know, sometimes you get ephemera for a certain, I love these tickets, for a certain pattern, and sometimes they're worth it, and sometimes maybe not so much. These are definitely worth it. They're beautiful. Okay, come on, you little star. You got to do a little cleanup here on some of them, not on everything, but oh my Lord, look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. Love that. Look at this, I love this. The little bird told me. Boy, that little bird's going around telling everybody everything. But that's okay. For the birds. And all these little birds. Oh my Lord. These are fantastic. Absolutely love all these. Okay, so make sure you can get a good view of these. All right, so these are the ephemera for the Bird Watcher collection from Graphic 45. Now here is the 8x8 collection, which is just like the other one, but a little smaller. And as I said, you get 3 of each one of these. Okay? I love the back of this as well, but that front is stunning. It's beautiful morning. Okay? This is called Look Up. I love this as well. Because these would make really great little borders. You know, if you cut them up. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this too. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. You could cut a little rectangular area. Or you could cut little ones or a strip or whatever to put around a, you know, to frame something. Gorgeous. So beautiful. And the feathers, of course, these feathers are gorgeous. and more cut aparts, and the great binoculars. Okay. And once again, templates. All right, so this is a collection from Graphic 45, right? And it's the Birdwatcher collection. I will be back with a video tomorrow to show you Graphic 45 and the latest, my favorite latest collection of theirs. And I think you'll love it too. All right, this I love as well. And this is also a new collection from them. It should be out. All I can tell you about Graphic 45 collections is that you should try and get them as soon as you can when you see they're available, because those collections and Stamperia collections go incredibly fast. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed these spring ephemera and a paper collection, and I will speak with you tomorrow.